So the main problem even now, even with carbon credit all over the country, and even in Kenya, or even with NRT, questions will be raised about integrity. Are you getting that? So this is the challenge that is all over there. So for those organizations that are working on this, in terms of carbon credit and so on, I think the most important thing that they need to do, where they'll be honored and they'll be respected, they'll be welcomed, is when they bring out the right information, clear information, integrity, openness, transparency. That is what's going to save their image.
The current project that we are addressing, this project covers about 2 million hectares of rangelands that are stretched across Laikipia, Samburu, Isiolo, and Marsabit counties. And the project area covers about 14 community conservancies. And the stretch was defined based on the historical livestock movement and the interaction of the people. The first revenue stream that came through, almost each of the 14 community conservancies participating in the project received over 36 million Kenyan shillings. Part of that funds, about 60%, were reinvested into the community social project, such as health, education, water, infrastructure, such as roads, health, infrastructure such as dispensaries, drug stores.
We are benefiting every year from them, and that one helps keep the students in school, because at least we will not chase them to go look for fees, and as much as the government is providing, but it's not as such enough. So the bursaries that we get from carbon do help us a lot.
Nawashukuru hii miradi ya wakati walipotuletea hii sola, kwa sababu watoto wetu hawakuwa na masomo ya kutosha.